Another legendary car from the Wuling brand is about to be launched. At a time when the compact SUV market is experiencing a slowdown, Wuling is boldly taking on the challenge with its new rival, the Starlight 560. According to leaked images of the actual vehicle, the Starlight 560 adopts a robust and boxy design style. At the front, two prominent headlights are connected to a honeycomb grille, while the front bumper is adorned with grey accents, creating a robust and durable appearance. Interestingly, the front design has been refreshed. While the gasoline and hybrid versions use the traditional black grille design, the all-electric version uses a closed grille, making its new energy vehicle identity instantly recognizable. This distinctive approach provides a clear identity for consumers with varying tastes. The new car boasts considerable dimensions, measuring 4,745 mm long and 1,850 mm wide, with a wheelbase reaching 2,810 mm. These figures alone make it larger than many popular rivals in its class, providing a physical basis for two third-row seats. The flat roof design and prominent fenders deliberately emphasize its practicality. The rear features slim, uninterrupted taillights and a silver logo. While the design isn't particularly striking, it certainly conveys the impression of a durable and reliable vehicle. However, all 7-seat models claiming to be compact SUVs face a fundamental problem. Is the third row truly suitable for passengers? The 560's 2,810 mm wheelbase is certainly an advantage, but given the vehicle's length limitations, the three-row seating arrangement requires adjustments for each row. The third row position is likely designed for emergencies or child seats. Families who truly need 7 people on frequent trips may need to carefully weigh the pros and cons. The Wuling is quite clever. It offers a 5-seat version, which forms the basis of its sales. The 7-seat version is a marketing ploy to emphasize cost-effectiveness and practicality. While the interior design is currently in blind box mode, it is highly likely that features like the wraparound design and floating center console screen found in other sister models like the Starlight 730 will be present. Key features such as a smart infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and a rear-view camera are also expected. Wuling clearly understands the principle of giving users what they want, and generally doesn't disappoint visually. If the Starlight 560's primary trump card is its spatial layout, its powertrain options are undoubtedly its second. This vehicle offers users 3 powertrain options simultaneously: gasoline, hybrid, and pure electric. It truly reflects the philosophy of a comfortable life depends on the person. The gasoline version is equipped with a 1.5-liter engine producing a maximum power of 130 kilowatts. The plug-in hybrid version combines a 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor, offering a pure electric range of 100 kilometers under CLTC conditions. The pure electric version, meanwhile, features a 100 kilowatts electric motor and offers a range of 450 kilometers to 500 kilometers. This comprehensive strategy is clearly designed to meet the needs of all families, from traditional gasoline enthusiasts to pure electric pioneers. All unsolved mysteries will ultimately hinge on price. The Starlight 730 is priced at 73,000 yuan, but rumors that the Starlight 560 will start at 60,000 yuan have already generated widespread interest and discussion. If this plan materializes, the market will see a multifaceted warrior priced below 100,000 yuan, featuring 7 selectable powertrain options. This will undoubtedly put significant pressure on entry-level SUVs from brands like BYD, Geely, and Chang'an.